Hey guys, my name is Michal Hucko and welcome to the Pandas tutorial. This course is a part of a series courses called The Road to Machine Learning, where I'm teaching you how to apply machine learning algorithms in the Python. This course will be about Pandas library. Pandas is a Python library used by the data scientists all around the world worldwide to process the big data. In this video I will cover Pandas basics. I will show you Pandas data types, how to read data into Pandas, how to select that from data frames, index data frames and describe data frames, and I will cover much more. If you are interested in this stuff, please join my course. This course is also dedicated for absolute beginners, because from the start of the course I will cover absolute basics, how to install Pandas and how to work with the Pandas properly. My name is Michal Hucko and I used to be a PhD student at the university where I studied the computer science. Right now I'm working as a machine learning DevOps engineer. If you are interested in my research, which I did in the text processing and emotion detection, feel free to check out my publications on the internet. You can find more details about my career at the LinkedIn profile. I hope guys you are interested in Pandas as much as I do, and I hope I will see you in the next video of this course. Thank you very much for watching.